far where I come from.
I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense, but nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never just unpacking. I'm blacking on anybody thinking they could act up with me. This vibe ain't for free, cause where I'm at in life, I'm only focused on me. Note the self, know yourself, focus on your health. They don't wanna help them, it, do it by yourself. Don't give them no excuse to put you on the shelf. If it's me, myself, and I, then there's no one else. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it, love yourself.
Yeah, practice what you preach.
Yo, good morning. So, quick review. Alright, so far today, today could be difficult. You have this SMT that causes this reversal, or I would say this retracement. We have midnight price and we have 8:30 price for both. So yesterday, we really got up here. Yesterday, I think I had my take profit right above here, but it didn't get there until 3 o'clock. Okay. And so what we saw yesterday, all right. What we saw yesterday is after taking out the sell side liquidity, I caught the low, and then this was an inversion fair value gap, and then I had this as a breaker. Okay, but I caught the low, and then once I took profit here, I just kind of let the rest run. Okay, but it was very choppy. To buy side, put to buy side, to buy side, and then I believe I ended up closing my full trade here around 11. Had I waited until 11:30, I would have definitely got something a little bit higher. Well, right at 11:30 we closed at the same spot. So it's easier said than done just to say that I would have held all the way. I mean, I clearly could have, but I didn't. And so now what we have is, for today, this is some liquidity here. And now that I see this on a 1 minute, it's almost like relative equal lows, right? It just looked kind of smooth right here. And then here's a gap that it is sort of balanced, to be honest with you. So price does not necessarily have to come back down. With all of this work that has been done with this fair value gap tapped in, I still have an area of interest that is above, which is here and here. But at the end of the day, price does not have to take out sell side liquidity in order to go up. And so it's really just a matter of what is price going to do. These fair value gaps, after taking previous day's high, caught some sales, but this is outside of the kill zone. I can mark them up, but I don't trust any of them to hold. It was great. Whoever caught those sales after previous day's highs was tapped, but I don't think that necessarily is going to keep me bearish. I'm not worried about a fair value gap that's at 6 o'clock or 6. Okay, 6 o'clock or 6, same thing. At 6:06, I meant as well as 6. So I'm not worried about any of these gaps right here. what I want to see is, one, if at market open, are we going to come grab these lows and tap this area, or we're going to keep Sunday open, this end wall as support and resistance to keep going up. So what are we going to do? So we have 830 price. Does it need to grab sell side liquidity? It doesn't have to. And so at market open, what could happen is that it simply takes off. Okay, market open happens, it could just simply take off and then just continue. All right, and not necessarily take sell side liquidity. And that's just kind of my thought right now, because a lot of this was already done. And let me clean this up just a little bit too, just so the chart doesn't look too messy. Take out all of this buy side. Right. Alright, but I will leave this though, as this is the market opening gap for the week. Okay. Because you just, well, let me not say you never, but I don't know if price comes up here on Tuesday, between today and tomorrow. Maybe we get choppy price action today, and then tomorrow it manipulates higher before coming lower. Well, once it come back down and we have that market open gap, I expect it to serve then as a reclaimed, okay? And so that area could eventually be in play again. But I'm gonna keep it clear for now. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is try my best to wait for something clear, and much like yesterday, be nimble. I don't expect price action today to be, well, yesterday wasn't smooth, but I don't expect it to just keep going in one direction, retracement, keep going, retracement, and keep going. Okay. What you have here is we have to remember that there is non-farm payroll, NFP, this week on Friday. And so Mondays are typically good days, which is why I should have held. But I did great. I'm not knocking what I did yesterday. And then after today, everything gets a little murky. But, kind of like the gym, you just got to show up, because price could be very, very smooth all week. Okay. Just a matter of being nimble, taking your partials, taking your profits, having a clear objective. And if I spend too much time trying to figure something out, then maybe I just need to leave it alone. Okay. So and very, very similar thing for ES as well. Okay. There is a slight little bit of divergence here as well. Well, ES took lows, while NQ did not take Asia lows. Okay, and this is 730 price, and so if this is S&T, even though it's before 830, that can also possibly be suffice where it does not have to come. So probably once we get above 645 price, that would be a telltale sign. Well, ES is already above it, so that could be a telltale sign that we're just going to go up and not necessarily come back down. And so on a 15-minute time frame, at least to start out this week, we have bullish order flow, and perhaps bullish order flow is still intact. So we'll see. What time is the different news is today? Tuesday, 9 a.m., 9:45. Final manufacturing PMI. More PMIs. What you want? I actually had a decent good amount of sleep, but no, Chi-Chi, over here. Move. Alright, that works. You can do that side. Alright, I'm gonna go get a cup of water. I will be back. Alright, I am back. Wow. Alright. Market opens. Market opens in about 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes. And so really curious. Don't be mad if I don't take a trade today. Every time I say that, I end up taking a trade, but don't be mad if I do not take a trade today. Alright, there's a lot of divergence everywhere. 9:45, and then 10 o'clock. There's all sorts of news. So do we wait till 10 or do we just take partials at 10? All right. All right, market open. What are we doing? Look like it's just gonna keep going up. Okay, so I kind of expect, or hope, that on ES this will become an inversion to go down so that they all can go up. But it just gotta be patient, because the body did not close. It would have been nice if the body closed above here, or if we took out sell side liquidity where I was anticipating it. But gotta be patient, because this could get real nasty real quick. These are some equal lows here. This is Sunday's gap, this is the other gap, and then this is PM session liquidity. So very, very curious. Market could really just play around until the 9:45 and 10 o'clock news too. How could you not take these lows? I could just sell ES, right? Another day. thought I got me a couple more. These lows just look too clean. But the market wants what the market wants. Cannot get a body to close above this thing, yo. Look at ES. Cannot get a body to close above this. Wicks doing damage. I'm gonna get what I'll be back because marketing. Come on, come on. Alright, so ES grabbed those lows. I mean, they were just too clean, in my opinion, not to grab. And you have NQ, but only one has to do it. They both don't have to go down, so. NASDAQ has this volume imbalance here. That's not a PD array that I use, say, but I do recognize it and see it. I just don't trust volume imbalances. I could see the market just pushing up at now 45. Alright, news. I was anticlimactic. That could be it right there. Just not mine. I could go ahead and see what this candle looks like, because I'm tempted to buy right now. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, unless we come back down. Nah. I'm wondering if this low will hold right here. That's a very minimal risk. Let's do it. What I'm watching for, yeah, this volume imbalance. Yeah, this volume imbalance. These volume imbalances getting touched. It's not clean price action, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's not the best. I'm gonna close this because I just don't feel comfortable. That's okay. I just don't like it. It's nasty. I'm okay with missing out. I guess that was the right trade, but that's okay. I wasn't comfortable. ES took the equal lows when NQ did not, so that's cool. All right, back to NQ. So that was the right trade, but that's okay. And then here we have, I don't expect any of these to hold. Like, this here is gonna cause a reaction, but I'm fully expecting to go past through there. So I'll feel much better with another setup. So for at least for NQ, this is its first gap. This is 950 now. This looks like a good place to get long. What would my risk be? Okay, so we come all the way back down. I don't know, but this is for me a cleaner setup. This could be a bullish breaker, but I don't expect it to be. Feedback. Let's see. And then we're going to target current high of the day. I don't trust any of the high of the days. And so once again, I would take profit, but take some partials here. 520. Let's see, there is news at 7 minutes. I don't like this. But I just don't trust, I don't necessarily trust this to hold for sales. So I'm looking at a 15-minute here. I think we can get up to here. Might be a tough sell, to be honest with you, or a tough trade. Let's see. Can we get to the 50s? Can we? So be patient, trust what you see. We on a 5-minute. It's not the cleanest here too on a 5-minute either. What I don't want it to do, honestly, is come down below this swing. That's what I don't want it to do, you know, but it can. And if it does stop me out, I'll just wait for another setup, because this is like choppy. This is the middle of the bullish breaker, and so if it, again, then it is what it is. But that's what I'm willing to risk here. That 15-minute candle looking nasty. Look at this wick. Look at the wick on this bad boy. Look at that, is nasty. That is nasty. Well, that swing is taken. We have this bullish breaker. And so if it comes out, that just means I wasn't meant to be in that trade anyways. Alright, stopped out. Alright, there's news in 3 minutes. Watch it go back up. Watch it go back up. This 15-minute candle is wow. Closes in 2 minutes. See, ES is right back at its market opens. It's going up again. Let's give it another shot. Let me clean that up. Hey, my stop loss was just a little too much. Alright, news in about 20 seconds. That wasn't pretty. That was ugly. 10 o'clock. Ew. Stopped out. Nasty. All right, wait a little bit, All right, taking a look at the minute time frame. Let's wait till this just calms down a bit. See, none of the bodies, well, take that back. I was gonna say none of the bodies is coming down, holding on to that, but alright, so that's not working. Don't force anything. Wait. Okay. Man, could it really be going down to that PM session liquidity? It really could. No. No. Don't like these equals. I don't like it. Hasn't been 15 minutes yet from 10 a.m. candle. This is Asia's low. It is 10:16. Equal lows. Oh, just took it already. 88, 88.50. I could catch a scalpy scalp from here. Let's see. That is a trade, just to make new lows. Nah, I'm not getting a trade just for the sake of it. But that is a sell here. It'd be nasty work if it doesn't go down. I mean, every up move is like, yo, sell some more, sell some more. Alright, so Asia's low tap. Now what happens when you get to 950? I just don't think we're gonna sell all day. Can we really take out Tuesday though? Nah. Alright. Is this my buy? What time is it? 10:22. Might be time to go back up again. Maybe that was a little too fast. Come on, baby. That's huge. One standard deviation would be 700. When we get to the 700, that'll be dope. So this created this low, so I would want this to become the inversion. Okay. And I prefer to leave this gap open. Leave this gap open so that we leave this gap open, tap just a little bit. And then this will be the, what do you call that? What kind of gap is that? I forget what kind of gap is that. Anyway, it's the gap that is left untouched. So hopefully that doesn't bring it back all the way down. Let's see. But be smart, because this is Sunday's open too. So we got there's some equal highs that's like right here. Oh, that just got tapped. Okay. I want this gap to stay open. I don't want to come back in here. It's already in there for ES. I do not want it to come down here and be filled at all. Yeah, I don't want none of that. Once we come up here, I'm gonna go ahead and put some alerts and then get off the charts so that I don't sit here and mother it. And so what I would want is, I have market open, or I have this. So I can take probably, if we don't come back down and I am right, what I would want is for that to be 1, and I'd like the day's high and then this will be at 700. But if I'm wrong and we do come back down again, then I'm just wrong, and it is what it is. So that's what I am looking at here. So high of the day, then somebody says that should have been my first trade. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably. It looks okay so far, but I wanted to be I wanted to get like around here, right? And I'll feel real comfortable, because then that's above Sunday's gap again. So let's see, what is DXY? DXY looked like it was going up and now it's coming back down. Let me see, what was these numbers? Tuesday. Okay, so these numbers, don't know what any of these mean, man. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Less is bad for currency. I don't know. Five minute. Okay. 15 minute. Do want to get back up. I'm gonna keep in track of time too. That's the other thing, keeping track of time, because I'm gonna do the same thing. If I am here, if I'm still in this area around 11 a.m., there's a good chance I'm gonna close, or at the very least move to break even. But because I took some losses earlier, and that's the other thing, man, I hate when losses affect my future trading, because there is a good part of me that just want to, hey, I make up for most of my losses, right? But I don't want it to affect what I'm already seeing, right? That was already an area of interest. I just didn't think it had to get there. And then as well as, I don't know, it looks clean from here, at least on the 1 minute. But it is a very, very nasty day, you know? Where is the manipulation here? You have displacement here, but I don't trust this as a displacement with it being not in the kill zone. Just, does it work sometime? Yeah, and it clearly created this. So, but now that we've taken out Asia's low, hit a fair value gap, I want to get back up there. But I want to get back above, well above this Sunday gap, man. Like, I don't want us playing in this Sunday gap. You know, very, very pivotal point where it can come back down. You know, it's gonna be funny. I got this gag from Quill, and it's called a phone gel. Hard to see it here. Ew. All right. Let me see. This AI thing only this camera only recognizes. All right. It's a phone gel. All right. I realized this thing looked like a camera recognizes humans. I don't want to try to adjust it now and then mess things up. So anyways, I have what is called a phone gel. I'll show what it looks like on here. That's what it looks like right there. So I have one of these right in front of me, and it's like, yo, that's what I should set my take profit, stop loss, put my phone in a gel, and just do not touch it. You know. Anyways, it's a gag gift that Quill got me. So I just want to see it to get above here. What I'm gonna do is set some alerts, maybe right here, an alert that will say NQ entry, meaning that it came back to entry. Okay. What I am looking at is, this is DXY today, and DXY has been extremely you know, not helpful, I should say the least. It looks like it wants to go back down, but DXY and indexes was going down at the same time, which I hate when that happens. It makes for a very, very choppy market. And then you have that, you know, it comes up while we're still going down, and while this is going down, we started to get this up move. And so I'm just hoping that this remains. Okay. I know I didn't get too deep into DXY. So, yeah. All right, we're above NQ. I think this is a good place to definitely move my stop loss to break even. Was there news at 10:30? There was no news at 10:30. Where the hell this push came from? Yeah. All right, so we are back at this, hoping this remains an inversion. God is good, man. $10.42. So this was the first gap for NQ. So I want to see us get above that. We did all that work to grab sell side. We might as well keep going up. what I'm looking at is I want us to get above this. You know what? Don't baby it. You have relatively here. Let it rock. So this is ES's high of day, and this is NQ's current high of day. I just want a new high of day. And to be honest with you, I get this, I'm probably done for the week, man. NFP is not fun or pretty at all. I just don't trust any of these. $10.46. You know, let me. And then what I'll actually do is recovered all of my losses, and then so all of my losses is recovered. I'm going to do just let this ride, honestly, and get off the charts. I do want to set some alerts here at 520, and the alert is new HOD. So new HOD 520, and then I will move NQ's alert here, and I'll just put NQ retracement. So this is all just take profits, but what I'm hoping for is 19,700. Is that a lot? Maybe, but depending on the time, once we get here at this new HOD, I just want to see where we at around 11. And so similar to yesterday, what I'm going to do is go do something else and let this rock out. If we come all the way back down, at least I have no losses. And I'm at, let me move it up just a little bit. Okay. So if we come all the way back down, this is already paid for. Trade is what it is, but I'm hoping for somewhere new. Manage my trade, recover my losses. It's all part of the game. Just gotta have faith in what you're doing. This is market open gap, and this is for the sake of the stream, so we see exactly what I'm using. Remember what I said about volume imbalances? I hate volume imbalances. I just think even if we don't get all the way to my target, I just think we should definitely have a bullish day. We did a lot of work. We took sell side. I should have been more patient here and wait for this setup here, and then that would have been my only buy, and then I probably would have just had this as this right here is buy side liquidity, right? And you're talking about low hanging fruit. So that's the low hanging fruit here, but I'm looking at one standard deviation to here into this area. So depending on what time it is, I'll see where we at here to come back. So it's 10:50 now. 10:50 currently. Okay, and then so what I'm looking at now is it's 10 minutes to 11. I'm willing to wait till about 11:30. All right, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast and I'll be back. Yo. All right. am back. It is 11:21. Okay. And I said I was gonna wait till 30. I'm just gonna go ahead and close right here. Call it a day. Yep, I'm satisfied. I am very satisfied. It's 11:22. I'm satisfied. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade right now. Call it a day. Very, very profitable day for sure. Or should I just trail it like right here? Yeah, let's go ahead and close it. It's a good day. I got other things to do. All right, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day.
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, I don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.